Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Pingdong's Liudui is a famous Hakka enclave, but where did it get its name? After a Chinese revolution in 1721, Hakka people living in Pingdong sought ways to defend themselves from the violence spilling over into Taiwan, so they formed militia units from 6 Hakka areas. Liudui means 6 battalions and is a reference to these 6 army units.
Hi everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係林澤少 Joseph Lin。我們常聽到這個高屏地區有一個地方叫六堆嘛，對不對？
啊，對對對。
It's actually an area in southern Taiwan in the Kaohsiung and Pingdong area called 六堆 which literally means 6 stacks or 6 piles or 6 units.
哎，對啊，就是在那個清朝初年的時候，那個時候台灣地區有一些戰亂，所以那時候在上屏東地區的客家人他們為了要保護自己的家人嘛，就所以組成一個像我們的什麼社區的那個守望隊是一樣的，他們就分了淺隊、黑隊、晝隊、幽隊、中隊。但後來它就延伸到了高雄啊、萬巒的地區，所以又再加了一個叫做先鋒隊、先鋒隊。
哦，先鋒隊，所以這完全是為了要保護自己的家園，的一個戰略的那種感覺了。
對啊。
That's really cool. The reason why this area is called 6 stacks, or more appropriately 6 units, is because back in the Qing dynasty, the Hakka people around this area were trying to defend their own homes, and so they formed 6 different militia units, military units. And literally it's the front unit, the back unit, the left, the right, the central, and then also the forward unit. So let's go ahead and teach you these 6 piles, which happens to be directions in Hakka. 我们请 Leo 老师呢来跟我们蕊一下好不好？6个位置呢也用客语教出来好了，要不要？
好，可以啊，没问题。
所以 the first one is front 前堆，前堆。And then you got the back 后堆，
後堆，
and then you have the left pile 也就是左堆，
右堆
okay, and then you have the right hand side which is the right pile 也就是右堆， and then you have the central pile 也就是中堆，然后再来的你说一个前锋队就是 forward 前锋队 and again those 6 different units form 六堆 in the Kaoping area. So there you have it, a little bit of history of the Hakka culture in Taiwan. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家
俺是誰張來了
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.